Hey there, it's Aaron. What I'm going to do in this short video is take two different images, one that has a landscape orientation 1200 by 800, the other is going to have portrait orientation of 800 by 1200, and I'm going to fill out the complete canvases in only 4 clicks each time, and I'm going to prove it to you. So right now I've changed the canvas already to our 1200 by 800, and 4 clicks, number 1 to select my reference area, number 2 to invert the selection so that now it's that canvas space that's going to be filled, number 3 to bring up the command, and number 4 to generate. This isn't a prompt that I had come up with. This image was created from a prompt by somebody in the Leonardo.ai community, and I think that I did do some editing, but regardless, an incredibly vivid image. I think it has a lot of depth. And so here is our first rendered canvas, version number 1, 2, or 3. I think they're all lovely. I kind of like this one. So let's say there we go. We finished our first canvas in 4 clicks. Can we do it again as successfully? Here I've changed it to a portrait orientation, and let's see if we can bring this lady to life in only 4 clicks, give her more personality and a bit of a sense of where she is by adding some background. So what I'm considering here with click number 1 is that I'm selecting an area that is really sort of as much outside of these vignette shadows as possible. I don't want those to be brought too much into the interpretation of the pixels here, so I am selecting as much of her as possible though. And so that was click number 1. Number 2 to invert the selection so that now I'm going to be filling that canvas area, 3 to bring up the command, and number 4 to generate. And this image, very photorealistic, but this is an image that I had generated in a platform called Night Cafe. I believe it uses the Stable Diffusion 2.1 rendering model. And let's see, so here she is, sort of a perspective deal as far as how it's carrying her down. That's a unique take that I haven't seen AI do before. This is a perfect AI generated completed background image. The vignetting in the corners, outfit is nice, proportions of the body are great. Let's have a look at the third one. This one is also very nice. Between the two of them, I think that this one has more personality. Maybe it's just because it fills out the canvas a little bit more, or perhaps it's these arms don't seem to quite match the skin texture in the upper part of her body. So let's say that number 2 is our chosen image. So just like that, 4 clicks each, we completed canvases of this beautiful lotus scene, and we've given old Edna here a new lease on life by giving her a new environment and something to wear. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to encourage me to make more of them, then like and subscribe, and I will see you the next time.